In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a code node to your workflow. This is a really useful skill, especially if you're looking to enhance your automation with custom logic or want to integrate more seamlessly with other parts of your workflow. Let's start by discussing why you might want to add a code node. A code node allows you to write custom JavaScript directly within your workflow. This can be incredibly powerful, offering you the flexibility to apply specific logic, manipulate data, or interact with APIs that aren't natively supported by your platform. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your workflow, giving you all the right tools directly at your fingertips. First, you'll need to navigate to the area of your platform where you manage workflows. From here, locate the option to add a new node. Once you've found it, select Code from the list of available node types. This will open a new window or section specifically designed for you to enter your JavaScript code. You'll see a code editor with a straightforward interface. This is where the magic happens. Now, you might be wondering what to write. Let's take this step by step. Suppose you need to process data retrieved from another node in your workflow. You'll start by specifying any required inputs in your code. These inputs typically come from preceding nodes. For example, data that you want to transform or manipulate based on specific conditions. As you write your JavaScript, you can define variables and functions that encapsulate the logic for processing your data. Make sure to use comments liberally as they help explain what each part of your code does, which is a lifesaver when revisiting your code later. Now, on to error handling. While writing code, things may not always go as expected, so it's a good idea to include try-catch blocks. These help prevent your workflow from breaking unexpectedly. They also allow you to display meaningful error messages, which can be incredibly helpful during debugging. With error handling in place, your code will be more robust and reliable. Once you've written your JavaScript, take a moment to save your changes and test the code to ensure it behaves as intended. Most platforms offer testing features that allow you to run the workflow with sample data. This is a crucial step because it lets you see if your code correctly integrates with the other parts of the workflow, effectively bridging them together. Finally, let's talk about integration. The power of a code node really shines when you link it seamlessly with other nodes. Ensure your outputs from the code node are in a compatible format for subsequent nodes. This ensures smooth data transitions and efficient workflow performance. And there you have it. That's how you add a code node to your workflow, complete with custom JavaScript and integration with other nodes. While it might seem daunting at first, with practice, writing and integrating custom code will become second nature.